Hi, I'm Cynthia of Servus Bavaria Tours. I'm here in one of the places that you really must see in Munich. It's actually one of my favorite places here in town, the Olympic Park, or as we would say in German, der Olympiapark. Behind me you can see the Olympic Tower, the Olympic Lake, and some of the sports places like the sports hall and the stadium where the Summer Games of 1972 took place. And also you can see that spring has sprung because I'm all surrounded by beautiful cherry blossoms. There's also a lake in the Olympic Park. It's actually quite shallow, so not really useful for swimming, but beautiful for riding a paddle boat on it. And right behind the lake, you can see the swimming hall, the swimming pool in which Mark Spitz once won 7 gold medals at the Games of 1972 here in Munich. Der Olympiaturm, the Olympic Tower in Munich, was built in the mid-60s. It used to be the highest tower in Germany. If you want to see Munich from above, make sure you come here very soon, because after the end of May of 2024, this tower is going to be closed for a couple of years for renovation. Listen up, all you car passionistas, because Munich is also the place where BMW, die Bayerischen Motorenwerke, where they have the headquarters. You can actually see 3 main buildings right behind me, which is next to the Olympic Park. The tallest building behind me, that's the Quattro-Cylinder, der Vierzylinder, the headquarters of BMW. Underneath it, not so easy to see from here, is the so-called salad bowl. Die Salatschüssel, it's just a nickname for what contains the BMW museum. And on the other side, to its left, you can see the BMW world, die BMW-Welt. If you're fans of modern cars and motorcycles, this is your place to go and see what's come out of the BMW factories. The Summer Games of 1972 were a huge television event with 1 billion viewers throughout the world. This is why, when constructing the Olympic sites, they needed to find a roof that would let a lot of sun and of light shine through. They chose this tent-like construction that has made Munich's Olympic Park so famous. It's made of plexiglass and is a huge, gigantic and very unique construction. The Munich Games also had a very elaborate corporate design. The staff had to wear costumes in various colors. These, for example, were the outfits that the hostesses had to be wearing. The games were also one of the first games where pictograms were used. Very easy to understand for anybody from anywhere in the world, regardless of the language that you would be speaking. Also, they had a lot of merchandise that people started buying. This is something that we are all used to today, but in 1972 this was still something very new. And last but not least, of course, the Games of 1972 also had a mascot. Our mascot here in Munich, its name is Waldi, and it's of course a dachshund. I could go on forever showing you more places here in the Olympic Park, but you know what? Why don't you come and see me personally? Call us at Servus Bavaria Tours for your personal tour and enjoy the wonderful Olympic Park of Munich.